Boy, if you don't get
I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in them jeans.
What's up, your gang Kamaka family? I am back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this hairstyle, you feel me? You guys need to vamp up your regular everyday puff. You know, add something new. Make it look shabooping, you feel me? Make it look like a baddie on a budget. So yeah, before I get into the video, don't forget to follow my Snapchat, my Instagram, my Twitter, all my social medias will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #Kerrigan to get a shout out in my next video. Today's video shout out goes to these people right here. So yeah, if you guys want video shout out, comment #Kerrigan, you get a shout out. So yeah, let's get into the video that way. Okay, so I put my hair into two parts. The part that I'm going to be sort of doing the cornrows in, and the part that's going to be up in the high puff. And yeah, the first thing we're going to be doing is the braid. So basically I have 3 on each side. This like sort of having like that diagonal feel to it. So yeah, I'm gonna take some hair out. What you want to do is get your comb and sort of do like a curve. Not too high up a curve, but a curve. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to take my edges comb and sort of use it to straighten it out a little bit. So now I'm going to be taking my Eco Gel and sort of using that to lay it flat. And then I'm going to use some water to spray my actual hair. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I find that my hair is like looser or like curlier when I use water, and I sort of want my hair to show some waves or whatever, so. Okay, so now I'm going to start the cornrow. This is not a cornrow tutorial, so yeah. Alright, so right now I'm just going to be slicking my edges into my hair so I could start the cornrow, you know, whatever. You don't want to do it too tight because then you'll have a hard time sleeping. Trust me, you have a hard time sleeping. So yeah, this is not a cornrow tutorial like I stated before. So yeah, I'm just going to keep repeating the steps, and this is just me showing you guys my parting in case you're confused. It's a diagonal, so it could create like a triangle in the front of your head. Like, you'll see what I'm talking about at the end. But yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, so keep on watching like this video right now, like this video if you guys are enjoying it. And yeah. Okay, so right now I'm finishing up. I'm going to be doing the other side off camera, and I'll get back with you guys when I'm doing my edges, you know, vamping it up, adding in the extras. You scared me! Okay, you guys, I'm back. So this is just how my hair's been for like the past 3 days. Like, it hasn't been brushed, combed, none of that. Okay, so this is just how it's looking like. I'm going to be combing it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, first thing of business, I'm just going to be picking out my hair so it can be even. Okay, so since it has been 3 days, because I thought I was going to go to school yesterday, I thought I was going to go to school 2 days ago, but I didn't go to school. So I redid the cornrow part, so I did revamp it up so it could look better, and I did my edges again. So just a little heads up, Okay, so I'm going to remove this. This is how the cornrows and the edges are looking. I basically did the same thing, nothing new. Now I'm going to take the string that I used to make my puff and start off from the front and put it up my head. You could do your puff, stop it wherever you want to, you know, make it look however you want. You can even do a ponytail if you want. Okay. I'm gonna push the front part of my hair further back. Okay. There we go. And with these ends, you can either bobby pin them back, but I'm just gonna tuck it in. Don't do it too tight so you can get a headache, because I have my fair share of that. Okay. Okay, so now you see like the ends from the cornrows. You want to tuck it in your puff. Tuck it in underneath like the string. Or if you did a ponytail, tuck it under that. Okay, so this is how the puff is looking. This is how everything managed out. I think it looks so cute. I hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle. I hope you guys try it out. If you do, send me some pictures on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. You know, you feel me. Send me, snap me, do all that so I can see if you guys tried out this hairstyle or not. If you guys like it, give this video a big, fat, thick thumbs up. Don't forget to comment #HairGame to yourself in my next video. Don't forget to follow my Snapchat, my Instagram, as well as my Twitter. You feel me? All my social medias will be in the description box down below. Now I'm about to insert a Bible verse to start off your week, end off your week with a get right path, get right away. So I hope you guys enjoyed that Bible verse. Peace. You guys out.
I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the jeans. I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass?